In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to FaceTime someone with an Android phone. Let's get started. Launch your FaceTime app. Normally, FaceTime is only for Apple devices, but now you can invite Android and Windows users with a link. First, you'll need to update your software to its latest version. For that, launch settings, click on the option General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your software to its latest version. Now, launch your FaceTime app. Now, what you need to do is click on this option New Call. Then you'll need to click on this link option given at the bottom left. You'll get this kind of pop-up. Once you have created the link, you can use these platforms given over here to share the link. Mail, Messages, WhatsApp, Snapchat. Or also you can search for the user to whom you want to send this link. After the person appears, click on it and send the link. After you send the link, the person needs to open this link. Then they will need to click on the option Join and you'll see a request pop up on your iPhone. Approve it and now you can FaceTime them even though they are not on an iPhone. And that's it. That's how you FaceTime someone using an Android phone or computer. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.